Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
UK Government Efficiency Minister Jacob Rees-Mogg issued the rallying cry today while launching the new Public Sector Fraud Authority, setting it a first-year target of £180 million of identified fraud benefits. Crypto mining firm Riot Blockchain reported it produced fewer Bitcoin in July 2022 than in July 2021, after scaling down operations at its Texas facility. Riot said its miners had produced 318 Bitcoin in July, compared to 443 Bitcoin the firm reported generating in July 2021. The dollar clung on in choppy trade after its biggest surge for weeks as Federal Reserve officials talked up the potential for further aggressive interest rate hikes. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dropped 2.8% in the last session after rising as much as 2.8% during the session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the gold gain 0.3% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the dollar rise 0.5% against the yen. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 01:30 GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary will be released at 1100 hours GMT, the Dutch Consumer Price Index at 0430 GMT, the US continuing jobless claims at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.